Congratulations are in order to Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns took a giant step towards securing their 8th successive DStv Premiership title with a clinical 3-0 dismantling of Stellenbosch FC at Lucas Moripe Stadium on Sunday afternoon. With the title race theoretically still open, the Brazilians' superior goal difference all but confirmed their dominance once more, effectively putting Orlando Pirates out of the contention, barring an implausible scoring miracle. Sunday's comprehensive victory saw Sundowns increase their goal difference to a staggering 47 compared to Pirates plus 19, although the Soweto Giants have 3 games in hand and can mathematically still reach Sundowns' current 67-point tally. The gulf in goal difference makes the idea of overtaking the Tshwane club nothing short of fantasy. Pirates would need to score upwards of 35 unanswered goals in 5 games. The match's turning point arrived just 4 minutes in when Stellenbosch goalkeeper Oscar Masuleke, deputizing for the injured Sage Stephens, handled a back pass from Sihle Nduli that had busily ricocheted off the post. Sundowns were awarded an indirect free kick inside the box, which Lucas Ribeiro dispatched with aplomb, ending his 11-game goal drought and notching his 14th league goal of the campaign. The Brazilian maestro wasn't done. Just 6 minutes later, Ribeiro relentless pressing forced a turnover deep in Stelli's half, and he selflessly scored for Igrim Reyners, who tapped in his 13th of the season. Stunned and disorientated, Stellenbosch conceded a third in the 18 minutes. Other Sale's speculative effort from outside the box took a wicked deflection of Thabo Moloi-Sane, wrong-footing Masuluke for Sundowns' 60th league goal of the season. The win moves Sundowns with touching distance of officially securing the league title, which is now formality rather than a contest. Their next league outings are away to Chippa United on Wednesday and at home to Magesi on May 17, a little more than tune-ups ahead of big continental and global ambitions. Sundowns will shift focus to the CAF Champions League final against Egyptian side Pyramid FC, with the first leg set for May 24 in Tshwane, followed by the second leg in Cairo a week later. Beyond that, a historic appearance at the FIFA Club World Cup awaits in the United States from June 14 to July 13. Stellenbosch, who were second on the log before kickoff, failed to rise to the occasion and barely tested Dennis Onyango, Sundowns stand-in keeper for the rested Ronwen Williams. Devin Titus had a couple of half chances in the first half, but the Cape side never truly threatened a comeback. In a season where Sundowns have set the bar with ruthless efficiency and squad depth, Sunday's commanding display was a statement. The kings of the South African football remain firmly on their throne. Meanwhile, Cardoso has hailed Mamelodi Sundowns players after impressive win over Stellenbosch. He said what's important is that we saw Igrim Reyners, Tashreeq Matthews, Lucas Ribeiro at the sales. Even then, we saw Thapelo Maseko enter at a good level. So it's important that the team produces football and the goal will flourish naturally, and I don't worry about who scores. Cardoso went on to explain that his concerns were few when it came to his charges. He said, I worry if the players who are inside the pitch work for the team in order for the team to score, and that's been happening. Lucas today made a wonderful pass for Igrim for the goal. This is the spirit we have, values we have, and having written in our shirts Ubuntu, it means we work as a team and not individuals, so I'm always happy when we score, play together and enjoy football. That's the important thing. On the other hand, Stellenbosch coach Steve Barker has tipped his former charge, Igrim Reyners, to be one of the candidates for the coveted Player of the Season accolade, alongside his Mamelodi Sundowns teammates in Lucas Ribeiro and Marcelo Allen. He said he's a contender for Player of the Season. He has to be if you look at the amount of goals he scored and the amount of assists he has had. He's a key player, so there's no doubt that the Player of the Season must come from Sundowns. Barker said so after Sunday's 3-0 defeat to Sundowns at Lucas Moripe Stadium, where Reyners netted his 13th league goal of the campaign. He said they've got a few candidates. Ribeiro has had a really good season. So is Ingram, and a player such as Allen has been influential as well. The 29-year-old Reyners, who joined Sundowns from Stellenbosch last August, also posted an impressive 9 league assists. With Sekhukhune United, Keletso Magwala, the only player with more assists 11 than him in the Betway Premiership this season. Reyners is 1 goal behind the league's top scorer Ribeiro. Barker is also vouching for one of his defenders in Thabo Moloisane, Fawaz Basadin and Ismail Toure to be nominated for the Defender of the Season, albeit feeling the drubbing by champions-elect, Sundowns has stained their defensive record a bit. The coach said, "Before today, we had only conceded 17 goals in the league, and I felt that the Defender of the Season, we have some really good candidates there. Moloisane, Basadin, and even Toure, so conceding 3 today was not part of the plan. But I still trust that we have defenders that deserve to be nominated." Stelli's defeat at Sundowns also hurt their chances of finishing third to qualify for the CAF Confederation Cup for a second season running, as they remained fourth, just a point behind third place. Sekhukhune, with 2 games left against SuperSport United and Cape Town City home and away on Saturday and May 24 respectively. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.